Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this creative question, the distance of two electrical poles is 50 meter, and in summer season, the temperature of air is 30 degrees Celsius. These two electrical poles are connected with copper wire of 50.033 meter length. In winter season, the temperature of air is 5 degrees Celsius. Mass of the copper wire is 30 kg. Specific heat is 400 joule per kg Kelvin, and coefficient of linear expansion of copper is 16.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 Kelvin inverse. Now question A. How much heat energy is given up by the copper wire in winter season? Question B. In winter, is there any kind of possibility of tearing of the copper wire? Explain mathematically. Now solution of A. Here the mass of copper wire M equal to 30 kg. Temperature during summer T1 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature during winter T2 equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of copper S equal to 400 joule per kg Kelvin. Now we know Q equal to M S T2 minus T1 equal to 30 into 400 into 5 minus 30 equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power 5 joule. So amount of heat rejected is 3 into 10 to the power 5 joule. Now solution of B. Here initial length of copper wire during summer alone equal to 50.033 meter. Temperature during summer T1 equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature during winter T2 equal to 5 degree Celsius. Coefficient of linear expansion of copper alpha equal to 16.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 Kelvin inverse. Now we know alpha equal to L2 minus L1 by L1 into T2 minus T1, or L2 minus L1 equal to alpha into L1 into T2 minus T1, or L2 equal to L1 plus alpha L1 into T2 minus T1 equal to L1 into 1 plus alpha into T2 minus T1 equal to 50.033 into 1 plus 16.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 5 minus 30 equal to 50.0121 meter. Here 50.0121 meter greater than 50 meter. Therefore, the wire will not break during winter. Dear students, thank you for your participation. Please practice at home.